Here is how to book your Amalfi Coast boat tour. An Amalfi Coast boat tour is the best thing you can do in the Amalfi Coast. It is my #1 recommendation. It's also one of the most affordable things you can do there. If you need more info, I have tons of videos in this playlist down below. As always, book whichever one you want, but if you want to book one of the ones that I personally recommend, here is how to do so. Step 1, go to my TikTok page and click the link in my bio right here. You will see this pop up, which includes links to my website, my Instagram, and my YouTube. Click ckanani.com, that's my website. And then you will land on my website, which has links to everything you could ever need to plan your Positano trip. Since you are looking for boat tours, you will scroll down until you see Amalfi Coast boat tours. Then you will click on that, and then you're on the Amalfi Coast boat tours page. This has links to all the different Amalfi Coast boat tours I recommend, as well as the Capri boat tours I recommend. There are full day Amalfi Coast boat tours. That's my #1 recommendation. There are shared small group tour recommendations and private boat tour recommendations. The ones that say my #1 recommendation, that's my #1 recommendation. There are also sunset Amalfi Coast boat tour recommendations and an option to rent your own boat if that is of interest to you. For those of you not staying in Positano, there are also recommendations for boat tours departing from pretty much any town in the vicinity. You just keep scrolling until you see the town that you are staying in. Hope that helps. Make sure to like and follow for more Positano recommendations.